Hello designer users, this is just a quick video to show you a new feature that we've got coming in Storyboard Designer 6.2, and that is the ability to specify a Lua object function as a Lua callback action parameter that's going to respond to an event. To show you what I mean by this, I'm going to use the infinite list sample. I'm going to start by showing you the one that we shipped in 6.1 because we didn't have that feature in 6.1, and I'm going to show you what you had to do before. So the data in this table is managed by an infinite list object that's in Lua. We create an instance of that object and we call it myList, and that's how the data gets managed. An event gets fired to sync the data that's being shown in the table. And when that event fires, we respond to it with a Lua callback action, and that Lua callback action is going to invoke the function cbSyncList. If we take a look at the code for cbSyncList, you can see that we're calling myList autosync. So we're calling the instance function autosync for myList. Now, we can simplify this Lua code if we didn't need the boilerplate function cbSyncList. So that's what we've added in 6.2 is the ability to call that instance function directly. So I'm going to show you what the sample looks like now in Storyboard 6.2. You can see the difference. So now you can see down here, when the syncList event fires, we call myList autosync directly. We don't need the boilerplate code anymore. So if you had multiple tables in this app, you could have multiple events, and each one of them could call the instance directly. It wouldn't need to have boilerplate code for each one of those events that would then figure out which instance it needed to call. So this would simplify your Lua code. This is just one of the cool new features that we have in Storyboard Designer 6.2. We'll be doing videos for the other features as well, and I recommend that you check those out.